Hi, before we start, subscribe to this channel. Let's begin. Think you're good at math? Let's test it. Solve this. 2x. Power of 2x equal to 64. At first glance, it looks simple. But if you rush, you'll get stuck. Let's carefully break it down step by step. First, recognize 64 equal to 2 power of 6. That's important because our base, 2x, already contains a 2. We can rewrite the equation as 2x power of 2x equal to 2 power of 6. Now we simplify. Let's say y equal to 2x. The equation becomes y power of v equal to 2 power of 6. So we're looking for a number y that raised to its own power equals 64. Take log base 2 of both sides. We get y multiplied by log y to base 2 equal to 6. Let's try some values. For y equal to 3, we get about 4.75, which is too small. For y equal to 4, we got 8, which too large. Let's try 3.4, and here we go. Perfect. Now recall y equal to 2x, so x equal to y divided by 2 equal to 1.7. That's your solution. Did you expect it to be that tricky? Share this with a friend and see if they can solve it without guessing. Finally, subscribe, like and share. See you next video. Bye.